10 years ago, this building right here sold for $5 million. Now it's pretty much vacant.
The Ford building?
Yeah, is that anything?
So it was a Ford like headquarter building. They're not Dearborn.
Oh, okay.
It's still called the Ford building.
Right.
So when they did the
Martin works there.
Detroit, Canada fireworks on June 24th, and so we went. Martin works on the 30th.
There's some serious symbolism here.
I'm sure.
I don't feel bad.
This is the real reason why we came to downtown Detroit, right here.
Agriculture, lumbering, mining.
Okay, South Carolina is While I Breathe, I Hope. So what is this for Michigan? They're gonna kick y'all out. All right, kids.
All right.
They're gonna kick them out.
That thing's a death trap. Yeah, that one.
Sierra, fair ride for free. That is Canada across the river.
Our plaza's got stuff in it.
This is so pretty. I just found a pig.
Wow. What do you think, Mr. Cade?
This is so nice.
It's a newer initiative downtown.
Hey, she's looking about
Tauntaun's totally
now
this.
look at that. Want more stuff.
I want to live in that apartment.
Stop in the middle of the road. See, they just stop in the middle of the road. And there's two cars coming at them at full speed. Two more stations.
Oh yeah, look at the tile work.
Oh, that's
Yeah, David loves a good mosaic.
I do love a good town mosaic.
guilty
Guilty as charged.
They had us all proposed and they asked me questions about like told them what she got camp. She
That's super fun. What's gonna be at the end of the
That's how she got there. She did some things with
being the oldest in your family sometimes? Sometimes, but it's not
It's flooded, so they're having to deal with water remediation in the basement. And then once they finally got the basement and started to like drain it and get it remediated, they found a second basement.
Whoa.
That was also full.
We're gonna get the car. I'm happy to get
Grady, you're like Spider-Man.
Oh, because this one says
So that was Diego. That mural was Diego Rivera that you saw. That he
Gotcha.
But it remained a part of us. Our secret meeting place. Our canvas. Many thought the story could never happen. The world saw decay. We saw the opportunity for renewal.
what is that?
All the posters.